everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, let us see lines and angles chapter 6 NCERT class 9 example number 1. Okay, let's move on to the question. In figure 6.9, lines PQ and RS. Okay, let's draw a line PQ and RS intersect each other at point O. If angle POR is in the ratio is 2, ROQ is equal to 5:7, find all angles. Okay, first we'll write the given. Given is angle POR is to ROQ is in the ratio of 5:7. Okay, and there is an axiom also we could find here, intersect each other. Okay, we can find also one axiom here. Okay, let us prove it after sometimes after the steps. Okay, so next let us find all angles. Have asked all angles. Okay, POR ROQ. POR is this angle, POR is this angle, ROQ is ROQ this angles. They lie on a line. Okay, this is one arm, this is one arm, and this is a ray that stands on a line. Okay, so here a linear pair of angles, so angle POR plus angle ROQ equals 180. So okay, so they combine a ratio 5:7. So 5x, we have take it as x, plus 7x equals 180. So 12x equals 180, and by moving it to that side, x is equal to 180 divided by 12, and x is equal to what is 180 divided by 12. 12 ones 6, 0 and 15 times. Okay, so x is equal to 15. So with the help of this, 5:7. Okay, so angle POR is equal to 5 into 15 is equal to, what is 5 into 15? 75. And angle ROQ is equal to 7 into 15 is equal to 105. So they form a 180 degree. With the help of this, we can prove that it is a triangle, or it's a semicircle or linear pair of angles. Okay, here an axiom is, when linear pair of angles are we could find linear pair of angles when both non-common arms form a straight line. Okay, yeah, this is an axiom. So they have asked all angles. We found these angles. Angle POR equals 75 degree, angle ROQ equals 105 degree. So with the help of another axiom, we can prove vertically opposite angles are equal when two lines intersect each other. They are vertically opposite angles are equal. Okay, this is an axiom. So vertically opposite angles are equal. Angle POR is 75, so angle SOQ is 75. Angle ROQ is 105, so angle POS is 105. So angle POR equals 75 degree, angle ROQ equals 105 degree. Next, angle SOQ equals 75 degree, and angle POS equals 105 degree. Yeah, these are the angles formed. Okay, we have found all the angles formed in, and this due to as they are vertically opposite angles. Okay, that's all. We have done this sum and proved also. Thank you for watching this video. I'll be back in the next video.